Okay, so let's talk about a really cool ChatGPT extension that's called AIPRM, ChatGPT prompts. As you can see, this is the extension. And what it does basically is help us write better prompts, like give us ready prompts for ChatGPT to get better results. And I will show you how it works. Um, let's look at the options. We have a lot of options we can write with this extension, a lot of prompts it can give us. Human written SEO optimized article, outrank article that, like they say, it's an article that outrank the competition with an in-depth SEO optimized article. That will be like the first place on Google or whatever. YouTube script creator, keyword strategy, mid-journey prompt generator. Now this is a very good tool. Um, because people that use ChatGPT, the people that use Midjourney know we need like a specific prompts and good prompts so we can get better results. And Midjourney with ChatGPT can be a very good combination, and we can write perfect Midjourney prompts with this extension. Um, so fully SEO optimized article including FNQ, more articles, write a complete book in one click. It's crazy. Get a monthly content calendar in one click, and there is a lot more. We can just click next, and you will see a lot of more options. Instagram post carousel content generator, one click course creator. As you can see, like we did a course on the last video, you can see we can create it with these extensions too. Um, Keyword generator, Instagram post description, SEO article writer, Python, meta title and description. Really, a lot of stuff we can do with it. I want to search for product. See if we have like a product description. Because, all right, so yeah, e-commerce SEO generate enticing product descriptions. Um, and this is a great tool. Let me show you. Okay, so this is how it works. We just enter the descriptive product name, one only. Like this is the only thing you need to do. So the name of like the product I chose is a scented candle, right? Just a random e-commerce drop shipping product, and let's see what we get. See how fast it was. We didn't even need to think about how to write it to ChatGPT. Like the extension does it all for us. A scented candle, the perfect way to transform your home atmosphere. Create a shooting ambience with relaxing fragrance. It writes us more and more. This is a long product description. Oh, okay. Now it gives us only also keywords and meta title and meta description. So this is like a full e-commerce SEO content solution. Okay, so with this extension, the SEO process, the writing process, the content writing process is way easier. As you can see, we get a heading, we get a subheading, we get the paragraph, we get the bullet points, like what this product does, like create smoothing ambience with a relaxing fragrance, add elegance and sophistication to your home decor with our candles. Okay, and then we get like broad match keywords that are included in the text and a meta title and a meta description. Transform your home atmosphere with our long-lasting scented candles and a meta description. So as you can see, this is like a really um, like a full digital solution for content writing, and I think like this is really great.